Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to approve task on RewardCrafter. That is, if you're actually the one that posted the task. So what you need to do is just to click on the task on the menu on the dashboard or from the navigation bar at the bottom of the screen. So once you click on the task, for every task that you actually posted, you are going to find it under the My Task section of the job marketplace page. So you click on this My Task and then you scroll. You'll be able to see those tasks that are posted by you. So for example, now this video, create a 1 minute video to promote our brand and share. So out of 10 workers that is actually needed, so 3 people have actually submitted this task. So I'm going to click on it to see if somebody has submitted as well and it's just to be approved. So yeah, as you can see now, we have two pending approval. So I'm going to click on the pending approval to be able to see it. So here you can actually preview the submission. So for example, now I'll just click on this place to view the submission. If I click on it, I'll be able to see if the person has actually uploaded the proof and everything. This person actually dropped a proof and also a link to the proof because it's actually a video task. And once I'm okay with this task, I can try to approve. So it is only when I approved the task that's when the user will be paid. That's I can try to reject the task or request for a resubmission, right? So if I request for a resubmit, which means that probably the person did not do it very well, or maybe the person uploaded the wrong proof, I can click on resubmit and I'm going to type the reason why I want this person to resubmit the task. Or maybe you didn't include your username or you didn't upload the right proof or something like that. You write it there and then maybe you click on the button. The person is going to be alerted that yes, so there's a resubmission required from the poster of the job, right? But if you are okay with that task, you click on you can click on OK, or you can click on this place. Yeah. Then once you click on approve, the task is going to be approved for that person and the person will be paid, right? And in case you have so many submissions, you can actually select all. Then you click on your bulk actions if you want to, after you have checked the proof and you are okay with everything. Or you can as well select those ones that you want to approve from the list. Let's say from this two, you only want to approve this one. You can unselect that one and then you approve the ones you want to approve. And again, that is only when you choose to approve the task by yourself. Because while you are posting a task, if you don't want to do this, you can actually hire our team to also help you to check those proof, and then we approve on your behalf. And then if you post a task and you fail to approve the task within 72 hours, our system is going to automatically assume that you are okay with that task. In order not to delay people's payment, it will approve the task automatically within 72 hours. So that is how to approve task. So I'm just going to go ahead and approve this task now. I'm going to click on view, then I'm going to click on approve. So immediately I click on approve now, watch what's going to happen. You see that now I now have just one pending approval remaining, right? So that's how to approve tax or the RewardCrafter. If you go back to the home page, now somebody has just earned. You'll be seeing the live earning here. Now the person that did the task, you see now the person has just earned um, um, 2,000 naira, right? So that's the thing. So this is where the real earning shows. So that's all. I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye.